In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image field in Salesforce. This process is straightforward and can significantly enhance your Salesforce experience by adding visual elements to your custom objects. Let's dive right into it. First, begin by clicking the gear icon located in the upper right-hand corner of the Salesforce interface. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Setup. This action takes you to the Setup area, which is the administrative heart of Salesforce where you can configure your environment. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar and in the Quick Find box, type Object Manager. As you start typing, you should see the Object Manager listed. Go ahead and click on it. The Object Manager is where we manage all the custom and standard objects within Salesforce. Now it's time to select the specific object to which you want to add the formula. You can choose from standard objects like account or opportunity, or select one of your custom objects based on where you'd like the image field to appear. With your object selected, look to the left-hand navigation and click on Fields and Relationships. This area is where you define fields and change their settings for your record pages. To add your new field, click New. You'll be prompted to choose the data type for your field. Select Formula from the list of available options and then click Next. Now we're going to give your new field a name. An example name could be status icon or something that makes sense for the image's purpose. Once you've named the field, set the return type to text. This is crucial since we'll be working with the image function. After setting the return type, click Next. At this stage, we're going to use the image function to define how the image should be displayed. The image function is powerful and you typically use it to return an image file for a specific condition. It's a great way to visually represent data with icons or symbols. Once you have your formula ready, hit the Check Syntax button to validate it. This step ensures that there are no errors in your formula that could cause issues down the line. After validating your formula, click Next to proceed. You'll then choose which profiles within Salesforce can view this field. Make your selections and click Next once more. Finally, you need to decide which page layouts will include this formula field. Adding the field to the correct layouts ensures that the visual elements appear where they are most helpful for your users. After making your selections, click Save, and that's it. You've successfully created an image field in Salesforce. This feature is a great way to add an extra layer of visual interpretation to your data. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on getting the most from Salesforce.